Hi. Today at OTC Markets, we're pleased to be speaking with Ludovic Lastennet, CEO of Implanet, which trades on our OTCQX best market under the symbol IMPZY.
Hi Bob, thank you for inviting me to present the company. So Implanet, who are we? We are a medical device company focused on orthopedic implants. We are based in France, founded in 2007. We have now an office in Boston. We are 45 employees worldwide, and we have a full team, sales, marketing, and R&D dedicated to spine over the last 20, that have been dedicated to spine over the last 25 years. So we have been working all together in some other adventure before Implanet since more than 20 years.
Well, thank you. What are the opportunities and hurdles of developing implants and medical devices used in orthopedic surgery?
The medical device that we have developed is an implant for the spinal fusion. So it's a spinal implant dedicated to treat large deformity in pediatric and adult deformity disease indications. And this product now is a CE mark and has been FDA approved in 2014. Jazz is a disruptive technology. It's not a revolutionary technology, but it is a disruptive technology, especially because Jazz is, in certain part of the construction, replacing the traditional implants used, which are what we call the screws and the hooks. And thanks to this new technology, we allow the surgeon to better achieve clinical results towards this patient. So the big advantages for the patient when the surgeon is using this type of new technology, which is an anatomic fixation around the bone instead of screwing into the bone, is definitely a better, what we call reduction, a better realignment of the spine on the frontal plane, but it also allows the surgeon to totally restore, and that this is a particularity of this type of implant, to restore completely the original shape of the backbone of the patient. The second larger advantage of this product is the fact that when using this product during the surgery, we definitely reduce dramatically, the blood loss of the patient. And we also are going to use around 25 less implants. So we reduce the volume of the metal into the patient. For the surgeon, of course, it's a very easy technique, and it allows him to dramatically shorten the length of the surgery. By using our technology, he's going to reduce the surgery by 1 to 1.5 hours. So very, very important. And due to this is also very attractive for what we call the stakeholder, we call the payers, the hospital, because we are going to reduce the length in the operating theater. And thanks to all those advantages, we have a consulting group in Boston that released about 1 year ago a white paper saying that if the surgeon is using this technology in the right operative technique, we are going to reduce the cost of the surgery by 18 to 20%, which is really the name of the game nowadays in the US.
Thank you. And what are the company's growth plans for the next 6 months?
2016, we have achieved a double-digit growth on the total group everywhere in the world, with a very, very nice growth, over 35% in our major and priority countries like France, some European countries, and of course a growth which is over 50% in the US. For 2017, we believe we can reproduce that and even accelerate on the US market, because we have been now on this US market for more than 2 years. We have a structured team led by a very seasoned president there, which has been one of the major top executive at one of the major spinal company, US spinal company. And what you have to also understand is that we are not a biotech company. We are not a company which is going to have a product in some time. We already have the product. We have been implanting that product worldwide. We already have implanted 16,000 Jazz products, which is representing the treatment of around 3,000 patients worldwide.
Thank you. Implanet has been traded on our OTCQX best market since the second quarter of 2016. What are your goals for the U.S. market?
You know, the US market is the market for the healthcare industry. The US market is, in our field of activity, representing 50% of the volume, but still 60% of the value. So definitely, we want to have a huge and a very strong presence. So we have a very strong presence as a public company, of course, on the sales and marketing side, and even product development, where we have now some development activity with some key opinion leader in the US. But we also want to have now a strong activity in the field of finance, in the field of showing our stock, presenting our company to investor in the US. We have managed to achieve a very interesting results over the last couple of months. We have realized a capital increase, and for the first time, we have had some US investor coming into this financial round of around 7 million, which gives us a very nice cash position to sustain the growth we need. We have invested in structuring our investor relation team. We have been doing conferences, healthcare conferences. We have been doing non-deal roadshows, of course, in the US, mainly on the East Coast for the time being. And we will be present at the JP Morgan conference early next year in San Francisco.
Thank you. What else would you like investors to know about Implanet?
You know, what is very important in this field of activity is the regulatory pathway but also the IP protection. What we can say is that we have been through all those orders. We are FDA approved for all our product line already, so we have a clear access to the market. And in July 2016, we added, I think, a real value to this company because we have been granted by the US Patent Office of the patent for both the Jazz implant but also the Jazz tensioner system.
Well, thank you, Ludovic, for that overview. We wish you continued success. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Bob.